Hello, Margaret Ann here with Pixify Design. I want to quickly go over on how to get your digital download once you purchase them. So here you are on the Pixify Design shop, and you're going to scroll down. You're going to choose the graphics that you want, and then you're going to go to checkout and purchase. I'm sure everybody knows how to do that. So once you've completed that, and you put in your payment card and all that, you're going to get this page here that says thank you for your work. Now before clicking out of this page, you should see something down here if it's a digital file. Well, all of mine are. I went and I purchased this one just to show you. I couldn't purchase one of my own, it wouldn't let me, so I had to go purchase something else to make this video. But you will see this link here that says view your digital files now. So if you have trouble getting email links from Pixify, they are solely responsible for sending out those links, not the vendors, which is like myself. I have no control over the emails that are sent to you after the purchase has been made and payment has been received. Pixify automatically sends out emails with the receipt with the download link. Now there are other ways that you can get your download, except for, not except, but in addition to the email. So you can click on view your digital files now. This is one way, okay? So I haven't done this yet, so we're going to do this together. So if I click on this, I'm not sure where it's going to take me. Okay, it's going to take me here. This is where I purchased from this young lady, and obviously it comes with 2 zip files. So you would automatically just hit download now, download now. So this is one way to get it. Now I contacted them directly and asked them about this kind of method because people are having issues with email. There's another way. If you go to your picture up here on the right hand side at the top and you click on you, and you click on the little button next to it there, the pull down, it's going to say purchases and reviews. If you click on that, and here you go again. This is everything that you've purchased on Pixify to where you can go and download your files. So you don't have to worry about getting the email. You can get your downloads simply by going to your little icon up at the top and going on purchase and reviews, and there you have your download link. Okay, your downloads have been downloaded now. So go to that folder that you have yours at, and you're going to see the 2 zip files, or 3 zip files for mine. And how you unzip these is you can't just click on them and expect them to unzip unless you're using Unzip, stuff like that. They will open up and show you, but you have to extract it. So the easiest way to do that is just to right click on the file, go down to Unzip if that's what you have. I have 7 zip. I really like that better. It's just more easier for me to use. And then just hit extract here. Okay. And then there you'll see your folder. And then you just go down and do the next 2 that you'll have. My bundles usually contain anywhere between 3 to 5 zip files. And in each folder there's going to be different file formats. There's 6 total. And you will have either 15 to 18 images per bundle. Okay. So here we do. We have them both opened, and then you click on them, and then you'll see your files. Okay. You have to unzip the zip files in order to get to the folders. Okay. Some people don't know that. They think clicking on this is going to show the images. You have to unzip it. So you have to right click, go down to your Unzip program, and click Extract All here. Okay, or Unzip to here. That means it'll put it in the same folder that you're working in. Okay, and the same with Unzip. There are 7 zips that does the same thing. Extract to here. You want to do that to keep it in the same folder, unless you're really advanced and you want to send it someplace else. But that's it. That's exactly how you get to them. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to go ahead and send me a message. Thank you. Have a good and blessed day.